Hello everyone, this is Gobikanan here. Welcome to our mathematics class. Today I have said that exercise 3.2, question number 8. Find x if y equal to 2 by 2 matrix and 2x plus y equal to 2 by 2 matrix. So the given 2x plus y which is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. And y matrix 3, 2, 1, 4. We find x value, so we shifted on y on the right side, we get 2x which is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So the plus y, get it, minus y. What is the y matrix? So the first one, 1, 0, minus 3, 2. The y matrix is 3, 2, 1, 4. We subtract the two matrix. So 2x which is equal to 1 minus into 3 minus 3. Here 0 minus into 2 minus 2. Here minus 3, the corresponding element, minus into 1 minus 1, and 2 minus 4. Or another way, we have multiply minus 1 inside the sign matrix, we get plus sign, and directly we have add the corresponding elements. So that is avoid the mistakes. Okay. Then 1, the sum value minus 2. Here 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. We calculate x value. So x which is equal to 1 by 2 of this matrix, that is minus 2 and minus 4 minus 2. We get x which is equal to, multiply inside, we get, that is minus 2 into 1 by 2, minus 2 into 1 by 2, and minus 4 into 1 by 2, minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2, here also 1, and 2 2s are 4, here also 1. So we get minus 1 and minus 1, here minus 2 and minus 1. This is x matrix. Question number 9. Find x and y if 2 into this matrix plus and this matrix which is equal to, you have the matrix. So you have write down the given matrices, and you have multiply inside the scalar value in each element. We get 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 2 into 0, 0, 2x. Okay. Next, plus. So these are capital letters, capital Y and capital X. Okay. Y 0, 1, 2 equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. So this is a sum of the two matrices. We get the corresponding element should be added, 2 plus y, and here 6 plus 0, 6, 0 plus 1, 1, 2x plus 2 which is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. So the two matrices are equal, that means the corresponding element are same. Here the variable you can leave it, 6 and 6 same, 1 and 1 same. So the two matrices are same order and the equal values. So you have comparing the corresponding elements of these two matrices. That means 2 plus y which is equal to 5, we get y value, y equal to, shifted on 2 in right side, we get 5 minus 2 which is equal to 3. Therefore y value is 3. And you need x value. So comparing this element, that is 2x plus 2 which is equal to 8, which implies 2x which is equal to 8 minus 2, we get 6. And x which is equal to 6 by 2 which is equal to 3. So x equal to 3. So the x and y values are same. Question number 10. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t if the matrices. Okay, given you have written the matrix initially you have complete the process in the multiplication. The scalar value multiply inside in each matrices. So the first matrix constant value is 2. You have multiply in each element, we get 2x and 2z, 2y and 2t plus 3 multiply in the second matrix, 3 ones are 3 and minus 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 twos are 6. And the right answer matrix, you have multiplied the scalar 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15 and 3 4, 12 and 3 6 are 18. Next we have complete the sum of the matrix. We have add the matrices, we get the corresponding element. We have add 2x plus 3 here, 2 is at minus into plus minus 3. Okay, next 2y plus 0 we get 2y, 2t plus 6. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side, which is equal to 9, 15, 12, 18. So the two matrices are having the same order and the both are equal matrices because all are variables we have considered equal. Now find out the values of x, y, z and t value. Now equating the corresponding elements of these two matrices. That is the first one 2x plus 3 which is equal to 9. We get 2x which is equal to 9 minus 3 which is equal to 6. So x value is 6 by 2 which is equal to 3 which implies x which is equal to 3 we get. Next equating the next element. What is the next one? We get y value 2y which is equal to the corresponding element is 12. Okay, which implies y which is equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So the y value is 6. Next z value, we find z. What is the equation? The corresponding element 2z minus 3 which is equal to the corresponding element is 15. So which implies 2z which is equal to minus 3 shifted on right side, we get plus 3 and 15 plus 3 is 18 which implies z which is equal to 18 divided by 2 we get 9. So z value is 9. And t value means the last element 2t plus 6 which is equal to equating the corresponding element is 18 which implies 2t which is equal to 18 minus 6 we get 12. So which implies t which is equal to 12 by 2 that is 6. Therefore the t value is 6. We have see this x value is 3 and y equal to 6, z equal to 9, t equal to 6. Question number 11. If x into 2 3 plus y into minus 1 1 equal to 10 5, find the values of x and y. So I have written the given matrices and multiply inside in the x value, we get 2x and 3x plus multiply y inside, we get minus y and y which is equal to 10 and 5. Okay, we have add the matrices and both are same order, so there is no problem. You have directly add 2x plus into minus minus y and equating the. Okay, now first you have complete this process 3x and plus y which is equal to 10 5. Now we equating the corresponding element of this matrices, we get 2x minus y which is equal to 10. Consider this equation 1, and the next equation 3x plus y which is equal to 5. Consider this second equation where we find the values of x and y. So we get the equation format. So we have solved the two equations. We have see this is minus y and this is an plus y. So we have directly add this two equation, we get x value, the y should be cancelled. So 1 plus 2 we get 2x minus y plus 3x plus y which is equal to 10 plus 5. So the minus y cancel, and 2x plus 3x we get 5x which is equal to 15, which implies x equal to 15 divided by 5. So we are cancelling, the value is 3. So we get x which is equal to 3. X value is 3. Next we have find y value. So we have substitute the x value in any one of the equation. We have take the second equation, substitute the value x equal to 3 in second equation. So 3 into 3 plus y which is equal to 5. So 3 3s are 9 plus y which is equal to 5. So which implies y equal to 5 minus 9, we get minus 4. So the y value is minus 4. Question number 12. If the matrices, find the values of x, y, z and w. We have written the given matrices and we have completed the multiplication process. Multiply inside the 3. We get the first matrix is 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w. And this side you have add this matrices. The both are same order. So you have add x plus 4. Next 6 plus here x plus y. Here minus 1 and plus z plus w. Here 2w plus 3. Now equating the corresponding element of these two matrices, we get the corresponding elements. That means 3x which is equal to x plus 4. So we get the x shifted on left side, we get 3x minus x which is equal to 4. So 2x which is equal to 4 and x equal to, we get shift on this side, 4 by 2 we get 2. Okay, next we have equating the another element 3y which is equal to 6 plus x plus y. Y shifted on left side, we get 3y minus y and we get 2y. 6, we know that the x value, that is 2. So y which is equal 6 plus 2, 8. The 2 shift on this side, we get divided by 2 which is equal to 4. So y which is equal to 4. I have comparing the another element, that is 3z. 3z which is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. Okay, we don't know about the w value. So first we have find the w value, that is 3w which is equal to 2w plus 3. So 2w carried on left side, we get 3 minus 2, we get w which is equal to 3. So this is the w value. Now substitute the z carried on this side, we get 2z which is equal to minus 1. The w value is 3. So we have calculate 2z which is equal to 2. So which implies z equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. So x value is 2 and y equal to 4, z equal to 1, w equal to 3. So these are the answers. I hope we will understand the concept. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, thank you.